Mahalo. I'm Captain Seasoning. Today we're going to show you how to do a very quick, very light quarantine sandwich. And I think you're really gonna like it. Okay, first we're gonna start with Hello?
Hi, this is Daryl with Cryobank of Ohio.
Hi.
Am I speaking with Mr. Seasoning?
Hi, yeah.
Hi, Mr. Seasoning. We got your lab results back.
Yes, okay.
Well, quite frankly, on the application you said that you hadn't taken drugs, but we found traces of many drugs in your semen.
I don't see how that could be true. I haven't had any drugs or alcohol in 6 months.
Okay. And on the application you said you were 30 years old, and our lab results seem to suggest that you are much older, maybe by 20 years.
I see. Well, that's kind of ageist.
Regardless, you have a very low sperm count. We just can't move forward with you at this time, and I apologize.
It's a real bummer. Do you think there's other sperm banks in the area that I maybe could apply to? I kind of need the money.
No, unfortunately, I don't.
Okay, I understand.
Okay, well, thank you. Bye now.
Okay. Mahalo. And there you have it. A perfect sandwich that you can eat during this quarantine. And it's light and delicious and very, very good. Mahalo.